Hey everyone, welcome to Smart 4 Home. Today we're diving into everything you need to know about setting up your Fire TV stick. Whether you're a new owner or looking to refresh your setup, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Step 1. Unboxing and initial setup. The first step is unboxing your Fire TV stick. Inside the box you'll find the Fire TV stick itself, a USB power cable, a power adapter, an HDMI extender, and a remote control. Connect the micro USB end of the power cable to the Fire TV stick. Plug the other end into the power adapter, and then into a power outlet. Insert the Fire TV stick into an available HDMI port on your TV. You might need to use the HDMI extender if space is tight around your TV ports. Turn on your TV and select the HDMI input where your Fire TV stick is connected. Step 2. Pairing the remote. Next, let's pair the remote with your Fire TV stick. Remove the battery cover on the back of the remote and insert the included batteries. The remote should pair automatically, but if it doesn't, hold the home button for 10 seconds to manually pair it. Step 3. Connecting to Wi-Fi and signing in. Now, let's connect your Fire TV stick to Wi-Fi and sign in to your Amazon account. Use the remote to navigate to the Wi-Fi network settings. Select your Wi-Fi network from the list and enter your password. Once connected, sign in with your Amazon account credentials. If you don't have one, you can create it on screen. Step 4. Setting up preferences. Once signed in, you can customize your Fire TV stick settings, set your preferences for language, time zone, and parental controls if needed. Opt to enable or disable features like data monitoring and device usage data sharing. Step 5. Installing apps and content. Now, it's time to install apps and enjoy your favorite content. Browse the App Store for apps like Netflix, Hulu, or Prime Video. Download and install apps by selecting them and clicking Download or Get. Open the app and follow any additional on-screen instructions to sign in or set up your account. Conclusion. And there you have it. Your Fire TV stick is now set up and ready to entertain you with endless streaming options. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials and tech tips. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming.